You don't miss nothing. You guys got your air conditioner going. It's pretty cool in here. Where's your brother? I don't know where he is. You gonna start your hooting and hollering already? Alright. It's feeding time again. Gotta get equal amounts. Oh, some got away. Can't cheat them, man. They know. She's being good today. All right. Dinner is cooked. Where's Millie? There's Millie. Let's gather your bowls for tomorrow. Got 2 extra bowls now. That helps. I don't have to come out here. Usually she don't catch me. All right, there's 2 fed. There's my phone. You ready to eat, boy? Come on, Lily. That's for Lily. Come here, Waldo. What are you guys watching? Howling dogs. And FedEx just came. I got my laser engraver, laser machine. That's going to engrave wood, metal, plastic, whatever. Make little silly signs, you know, like that. Like that. I am going to make some Mammy Huckleberry signs, yeah. Could even do stuff like that. Yeah. You know, women buy that kind of stuff with silly love sayings on it and all that. All right, we're going to pick up where we left off on the Dogman channel. I was out cutting limbs and the battery went dead. So I had to go charge the battery. Now I don't remember what I was doing, but I do remember I need to get my safety glasses because it spits it right in my eye. I think I just had one limb that, well, if the chainsaw lasts, I'll cut a few more down. All right, let's see. Let me get my glasses. Trying to make room for the new building. I'm putting it right over there. You can see I moved the bricks. Much better location. It's gonna be in front of them two trees, and just a better spot for it all the way around. All right, I'm just trying to get some of these lower limbs that I see getting in the way in the future. Trying to get them down. Started cutting on that one and the battery went dead. And that blade is loose, but see if we can't get it anyway. How did I get up that high? Alright, there's that one. Go ahead and zap this one off. It's gonna be a little, the sun is right in my eyes. That was my whole problem before the battery was there. Doing much better. All right. Any other hangers? That other limb. Let's turn some of these little dudes off. Future growers. Leave the rest of them on. Alright, we got that taken care of. Whew. Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure it's really nothing that's going to touch the building. These are so skinny, they ain't going to hurt nothing even if it did fall off. These trees are not going to be a pain like cedars and pines. So, alright, that part's done. Alright, apparently I didn't have the microphone plugged in. So, I probably just set that to some music. Figured I'd explain it to you later. The battery went dead on the pole saw, so I had to cut a couple more couple more limbs to cut. Melly, do you think I cut those for you to chew on? Well, if it makes you happy. Look at her. I'm not gonna go pick those up. I'll let her have fun. She likes to chew on sticks. So that's what happened there. No sound. All right, we should be good on sound now. I just hauled them over here because the fire pit is full. It's too dry to burn. We're supposed to get some rain this week, so we're gonna get all these burned up. That's from the cedar tree that I cut. Because if he needs to come around this way, he couldn't before because there was limbs hanging too low, but not anymore. Man, you can tell how many of those things, see those red trees? Those weren't there last year. They look nice, but they're invasive species. I don't remember what the name of them was, but I don't want them here. But I ain't about to get in there and chop on them now. Be a lot easier once all this stuff dies down a little. And I see there's more privet back there. And yesterday, the guy that owns that piece of land way back there came by. He's going to survey his land, so then I will know exactly where mine ends, because I have no clue. All I know is probably there's a straight row of trees here on this line, and this is where one plot of land ends, and then it goes back like 150 feet and 250 feet across, supposedly a half acre. but I think it's more than that. But I mean, that's all. You ain't getting in there. You'd have to bulldoze all that, and it's all solid rock, and so ain't neither one of us going to probably do anything with it. I carved out all I want. Doing tillers. Yeah, it's a warm day. It's about 85. We got a little breeze going. You get that burnt. That's the old dog house. Parts of it. What is that? Oh, that's the old, when I had the garden, the sage and all that in. I'm not keeping that. So hopefully in a few days there'll be a building right there where Millie's at. Yeah, it was just a better spot for it. This was too close to the house. If there was ever a fire and the fire department needed to get back here, then that would have been in the way. Are you enjoying yourself? It looks like you are. All right, when you're done chewing on them, can you carry them over to the burn pile for me? Well, I got your supper already. You're not going to eat it? You just being lazy today? You know I got the air conditioning on and you got your window up. You're wasting my air conditioning. Hey. She don't care about no supper yet. So for now, this is going to be my electricity in the new building. That thing's 1200 watts, I think. That one's 1000 watts. No, that one's 1500 watts. I'm sorry. And I think that one's 1200. That's 500. And this little bitty one that I have not done a review, which I will do tomorrow. Believe it or not, as small as that is, that's 700 watts. This is powerful enough to power the saws, the biggest saw, for quite a while. And same with that. With the combination of all these, I don't even need to run power out there. And not only that, I have enough solar panels to run every one of these. I could put on the roof or out in front, and it has pass-through power, so I could have power all day. So why waste money digging holes and electrical out, you know, putting outlets and everything out there, when these things will do all of it. So that's the plan. We'll see how it works. Why run power out there when I got these? I got to put them to use somehow. I mean, look, this guy's got 4 outlets. This one's got 3. It's got all your USBs. This one's got 2. You know, for example, this could just run my table saw or my whatchamacallit. And another thing is, most of the tools I own are battery powered now. So really all these guys are going to be doing is charging batteries. Now I'll have the engraving machine out there. I'll probably run it off of that. We'll see how it does with that. But you know, that thing's not running very long at a time when you're engraving something. So I think I'm good with power, and I don't have to have them all sitting in the house. So, and I got all the junk, and I got that refrigerator that could go out there. So that'll be cool. Yeah, man. And I even got a solar panel with that new one. I will be doing a review on that tomorrow. And so back to this thing. I'm not even going to take it out of the box till the building's here, because that's where it's going. That has the possibility there to make me some extra money. I can make stuff out of it. I kind of got a creative mind. I'll figure it out. It doesn't have any pictures on it. Hopefully that there did not damage nothing. This was FedExed. Now you can kind of see the machine. If you go look at It's All Grady, this is the machine they got. So you can go check it out on their channel. But yeah, I'll be doing a review on that before you guys probably see it. But I'm waiting for the building. Hopefully it's here Wednesday. All right. Now this one probably won't be 20 minutes long, but you know what? There's some on here that are 25 minutes longer, you know. So let's just call it 20-minute average video. Because I got to get busy on some other things right now. But we get them out to you. I get them out to you. And I still got to do one on the other dog's channel. So we will see you guys tomorrow. I got to go. Yeah, I got to go to Van Buren tomorrow for a doctor visit. So maybe I'll take you along with that. I'm not wearing one of those, gowns. I hope not. That doesn't have no back. Why don't they put butt covers on them? I hate wearing those. But we'll see. Happy trails.